Welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I have my niece as a guest here in the kitchen, and we are going to make
molten chocolate lava cakes.
And we're going to show you what are the ingredients.
1, 2, 3, come on!
For this recipe, we will need 2 ounces of white chocolate and 2 ounces of dark chocolate. These will need to be melted first as they're going to be the inside of the lava cakes. For this recipe, we will need 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of cake flour. We will also need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3 eggs and 3 egg yolks, as well as 4 ounces of dark chocolate and 1/4 cup of sugar. We will also need 2 teaspoons of espresso instant coffee and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, second step is to add 3 eggs into a bowl and then separate the yolk from the egg white in the rest of them. I usually use a The next step is to add all the wet ingredients into the bowl, including the eggs, the egg yolks,
So you kind of like scrape it.
the melted butter, and
Well, we have to beat this.
oh,
first.
and the,
Yeah, so we have to beat it first. Make sure everything is mixed. As you can see, and then we'll have to add the vanilla.
okay,
So here you go.
1 teaspoon of vanilla,
So we want to mix this until it's a little bit lighter and fluffy. So we're gonna do this by hand. Alright, so Georgie, what we're gonna do with this?
add 2 teaspoons
You can add it first here if you
espresso.
like.
Oh, okay.
This one is hot. We want this to be melted. And then we're gonna add it to this. Do you wanna do this?
If you add it, I'll start it.
Okay. I think I need a nicer scraper. Like that one, yeah. Ooh, would you look at that? Does that look good?
Yes, it
Here,
does.
scrape it. Yeah?
Yeah, it does.
And then the next step is we're gonna have to
Sieve the cocoa powder and cake flour.
How about you do this? And then I'll mix for you.
And the sugar.
Yeah, very good. Don't sneeze.
Try not to.
Yeah, very good. That work? And then you kind of just use your finger to... Yeah, that should be. You can use it. Okay. And then kind of just...
There's actually a little sugar in here. There we go.
This is going to be really good.
Yes, it.
Richard, look at that. Do you want more chocolate? You want more chocolate? Oh.
Okay, I think that's good.
So this is the finished product of before we bake it. It should look like this. Really thick and gooey. Alright, and then we're going to... Where's your spatula?
Here. Once the batter is made and divided into 4 equal parts, place 1 scoop into each of your flour tins. Once you have part equals in each flour tin, take your chunk of chocolate that has been in the refrigerator and place it inside the middle of the pan. Do the same with the white chocolate. Once that's finished, place the rest of the batter on top of the chocolate and spread evenly amongst each flour tin. Once the chocolate batter is placed over the chocolate, smooth out gently and evenly to make sure all pans have an even amount. Once your flour tins are on the tray, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and wait 10 minutes till your oven is heated. Then place in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until completely cooked through. Once cooked for 15 minutes, take them out of the oven with protective oven mittens on. And let it cool for 15 minutes. And make sure to turn off the oven. Once they have cooled for 15 minutes, you can serve them with either chocolate or vanilla ice cream. Gently tip it out.
Oh, wait! Don't move too much so I can see it. Wow! Would you look at that, Georgie? That's perfect.
Then, take your ice cream scoop and either vanilla or chocolate.
Wait, stop. And then you're that looks so beautiful. Oops. You made a hole! And then you're gonna put it there. Oh. I thought you said you're gonna put a vanilla. What happened?
Oh, oops. Sorry. But you want vanilla there, don't you?
Yeah, I want vanilla.
Oh,
so you have to share with me then.
Okay.
But you can scoot this over and put vanilla. What?
Wash it. I'll wash it. I have to wash it anyways. There's chocolate on it.
No, it's full of your saliva. You just.
I washed it.
Ew, would you look at that? And picture.
Once you have the vanilla and chocolate ice cream scoops on top of your freshly baked cake, you are prepared to eat it.
You are prepared to eat it.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay, well, I want to see if it's. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Wait, I want to take a video of. Okay. Okay, go ahead. I want to see the chocolate. You have to cut it in the middle. Wait, cannot see. Ooh. Ooh, that's so gooey.
I know. Good.
Oh, wait.
You have to get a good piece, camera-worthy piece.
Listen to Georgie. And then.
There you go.
Some ice cream. Georgie, you ate half of it already.
I had to go into the middle to scoop out the inside.
Oh, wow. Would you look at that?
Make it a respectable piece.
We haven't had any dinner yet.
No.
No. So now we have to say goodbye and tell them to like and share and those. So you're gonna have to say now. You ready? With your mouth full. Alright, ready?
Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell for all the new amazing uploads.
That's right. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.